Hi y'all, Catherine here with Ukulele Wine Time. This is part 6 of my Strumming for Beginners series. You made it, oh my goodness. Part 6 is a really fun practice exercise, so I'm gonna skip a lot of the talking and go straight to playing. Just wanted to mention that we're gonna go straight through this worksheet, so all of the strumming patterns that we've covered together, starting from our whole note, so just playing on beat 1, half notes, quarter notes, eighth notes. And then we're going to do that combo pattern we did, which was down, down, up, down, down, up, taking it out with the island strum. We're going to do 4 times each through each pattern. Okay, so let's try it together. I've got my metronome here. I've got this set to 80 beats per minute. So if you want to try this with a metronome at home later, we're at 80. Okay, we're going down our sheet 4 times through each pattern on a C chord. You ready? I'll count us in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. Down, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here come half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here come quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here come eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1 and 2 and 3. Here's our next pattern. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Island strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, stop. Woo! How did you do? All right, if that was too fast for you, you can definitely turn your metronome down to 70 or even 60, whatever you need, nice and slow, so you can play that at a consistent speed. That's a great rhythmic challenge to tie this all together. And if you made it this far, if you've been through all 6 of these videos, I want to say cheers to you. I saved this little sip to the end because we were focusing, but this is Ukulele Wine Time. So cheers to you. You know who you are if you made it through all of these 6 videos of my Strumming for Beginner series. I hope you found this series helpful and that you'll be able to apply this to your strumming pattern and learning lots of new songs. I hope it brought you some clarity and helped to make you a more confident musician and ukulele player. Once again, my name is Catherine. Thank you so much for being here. If you found these videos helpful, please cheers the like button below, and I hope you subscribe for more fun and creative ukulele resources. I'll see you very soon. Cheers! Ukulele Wine Time!